Welcome to Paths Tutorials. This is going to be the first tutorial video for the Mindstorms section. Today we are going to be making an autonomous bot. The supplies for this project include either an NXT or an EV3, 2 motors, and some cables to connect them together. The bot that you will be making, you can customize it as long as it has a standard drive base with 2 wheels and the motors are not connected together. This leaves it up to you to be creative and make your own design. Once we have completed our base bot, we are going to make sure that the motors are plugged into B and C. And we're going to boot our robot on by pressing the on button. And we are going to actually plug our robot into our computer so we can begin coding. Now we could find the download for the Mindstorms programming language, and we can select what download we need for this operating system. In this case, once we have it downloaded, we are going to full screen, and the first thing that you'll need to do is create a new project by pressing this up arrow right there. And this is going to be the start block and everything after it runs. So we are going to do move steering with ports A, B, and C, run them at full speed forward for, let's say, 2 rotations. Now we are going to copy that block and make another one of them. And instead of having it move forward, we're actually going to have it turn, let's say, 46 degrees. And what we're going to do is we're going to get a loop and run these two in this loop for as long as the robot plays. So once we get that done, we can actually just click download. And once you hear that sound, we know that that successfully downloaded it. And we could hear the robot running. And that is a sign that the program is successfully downloaded. And once the code has been finished, we can see our robot, and we can see that it's successfully going autonomous. And with it, you can edit the speeds or the values of how long the motors will run. And this actually concludes the Mindstorms section. You're now free to move on to the advanced section of Paths computer programming.